What's going on, YouTube? So if you're a Lamborghini fan, today is your day. I woke up today to a few articles popping up talking about how the new Lamborghini SVJ, Aventador SVJ that is, beat the Nurburgring record. So that means it beat the GT2 RS and it beat the Huracan Performante they had. And not only did it beat the Performante by a little bit, it beat it by 7 seconds. As for the GT2 RS, it beat it by over 3 seconds. So that's quite the improvement, and really remarkable. And the reason they were actually able to beat the GT2 RS by such a big gap is the fact that they have this new aero technology that they're using, and I'll pull it up right now. But basically, it's in Italian, it's called, and I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing this, but it's called Aerodynamica Lamborghini Attiva. So they shortened it to ALA, or Active Aerodynamic System in English. And basically what it does is it has individual flaps on the car that rotate, and well, not rotate, but what is this? They maneuver, they go up and down according to where the car is leaning and where it's turning. So like it's able to take turns much harder, therefore being able to go much faster around the track, because it's not just downforce like in overall like other cars have. Like they have aero kits that, you know, provide downforce. This one provides downforce specifically for the right hand turn or the left hand turn, so it allows you to kind of curve or carve the turn sharper and take it much harder. So yeah, guys, this is news, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I almost forgot to tell you the lap time. So again, I have an article right here, and I'll link it down below. But Lamborghini has kind of been doing tests and sharing little teasers here and there, but they haven't really released any official information until today. And as of today, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ breaks Nurburgring record with a 6-minute 44-second 97 millisecond lap time, which is crazy. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited to actually see this thing in the flesh. I'm hoping they'll bring it to Lamborghini Newport once they start rolling them out and customers actually start taking delivery. So it'll be super awesome to see what people are able to do with these things. But for now, I'll leave you with this, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this. And if you haven't, please subscribe down below. I'm posting 3 times a week now, and I have tons of more content coming. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is it cool? Do you think someone will pass them up? Will it be Porsche again? Will it not? Will it be an electric car? Let me know what you guys think. Thanks, guys.